Yeah, usually dessert eh. That's her expertise because yeah, that's her forte because yung appetizer niya dessert. Medyo weird yung asawa ko eh. Appetizer niya dessert, tapos nung mag-main entree, tapos babalik siya sa dessert.
Tapos maghahanap na naman ng maalat.
Magahanap ng maalat. Hindi siya buntis nito ah. As in, yan talaga yung style niya. But yeah, I mean, I guess she's very proud when she'd ask me kung, hey, what can I prepare for you?
I guess the show is about to end.
There, yeah. Sabotage. No, but yeah. In conclusion, she loves to prepare desserts. Yeah, sweets.
And I will have to agree with that because he knows that I don't mess around when it comes to dessert. Na bawat subo, masarap.
Can I just make kwento how this girl eats dessert? Okay? Sabihin na natin, ice cream. Di ba, ice cream? Wala ice cream. Subo. Pagkasubo, kuha kagad. So kapag hello. Pag kumakain kami sabihin natin sa restaurant, we order dessert. We ordered, sabihin natin, a piece of cake, a slice of cake. Pag gano'n niya, subo sa akin, subo sa kanya,
In like 2 minutes, ubus kagad yung dessert. So that's how she loves how much she loves dessert.
Hindi, tsaka kasi importante talaga sa akin na yung bawat subo, whether it's dessert or whether it's ulam and rice, gusto ko yung it has to have a bit of this, it has a bit of that. Sobrang idol ko yung kunwari, you're down to your last spoonful, tapos kulang ka na ng rice. Or kulang ka na ng konting patatas at konting squash kasama dun sa chicken. Gusto ko talagang bawat subo, may patatas, may chicken, may carrot, may perfect spoon.
So now we know na OC yung asawa niya.
And that's how I want to eat. So alam niya.
You have to go to the doctor, really.
So alam niya, kung makikikain siya sa akin or if he has me prepare it, he knows that every spoonful is a good one.
That's why.
Yes, you know it.
Yes, she's sick.
Kay Iya naman, ano yung nire-request mo or alam mong gustong-gusto mong hilingin kay Drew na i-prepare sa'yo?
Ay, alam mo, magaling si Drew gumawa ng dog food. Actually, hindi. Sir, love, di ba we call it dog food?
We call it dog food.
We call it dog food kasi ang sarap niya maghalo-halo ng kung ano-ano. So, tulad nga na gusto ko bawat subo, masarap, at may taste of everything. Dahil sa dog food na ginagawa niya,
Right, expired na.
bawat subo masarap. So, whether it's like, actually, I find myself looking for it, craving for it, or kung hindi man lang niya initially ginawa para sa akin, ginawa niya para sa sarili niya, makikikain ako kasi masarap. So he'll mix a bit of chicken with a bit of, he'll of course have the rice with egg, and then he'll look in the ref and see whatever's there, and okay, may protein, sige, I'll put in the giniling from the other day. So, and then I don't know whatever else he adds, but he makes it taste good na hinahanap-hanap ko.
She calls it dog food, but it's really paella. She doesn't know the term. So, span of 30 minutes, paella, sure. Honey, ano nga ba yung mga finger food? You mean croquetas? No, the chicken with the... You mean chicken cordon bleu? Yeah, okay.
What? As you all know, puro kalokohan yung mga lumalabas sa bibig ng asawa ko. But yeah, I mean, it's not supposed to sound bad. But it's just, the only reason why he or we call it dog food is just the fact that we mix everything. So it's kind of like Mongolian rice. Para lang siyang Mongolian rice. Pero hindi talaga Mongolian yung lasa. Parang pangit pakinggan ng dog food eh.
Hindi Mongolian yung lasa kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng sesame oil.
Yes!
Now, who's the chef now?